Hello everybody, Merry Christmas. We just thought we'd do a quick little video to introduce ourselves to our new subscribers. My name is Frank.
I'm Susan.
And we just wanted to come and introduce ourselves, put a face behind all our videos, and let you know how much we enjoy doing these little videos for you. And at this point, I'm going to let my wife share some things.
Okay, we live in Georgia, and about 2 years ago we came down and did a lifestyle visit, and we fell in love with the place and the golf karting lifestyle. And we kept coming on vacations and long weekends, and we finally decided to bite the bullet and get ourselves a little patio villa. So we come down as often as we can. And we've got a lot of friends and family in California and Georgia, and we wanted to share our experiences with them. So we're trying out this YouTube video thing. It's new to us. All of this camera, audio, visual stuff is new to us. So we're trying to get better. So we hope you enjoy the videos with us. Like, comment, subscribe. We try to get back to the comments.
Okay, I said we go on another cart ride.
Okay. Bye.
See you. Bye-bye.